Woman breaking old stone garden path with hammer. Woman washing big old tractor tire for garden project. Woman building beautiful wooden pallet bed in bedroom. Man pouring concrete mixture into wooden geometric block mold. Woman arranging wooden pallets inside room near window. Man making concrete planter pot using cement and buckets. Woman pouring wet cement for backyard patio setup. Man installing stylish wooden corner shelves on textured wall. Woman pouring concrete into circle mold with paper cups. Man building beautiful stone fountain garden with flowers and water.